this cheese board. You can't see all this, can you? I never can get anything in. I don't really know how people do it. Like, and definitely... Anyway, whatever. We've got cheese board. We're going to try. Oh my God, stop. I've had a really good day today. You know when you're still in those silly moods? Yeah, that's me. Anyway, hope you've had a good day. So, first, we're going to go with this. This is that cheese. So you can't fucking see what is going on. Let's just turn that down a bit. That's better. That's the cheese. And I think this is a black pepper one. Oh, look at that. And obviously it's got... But what is going on? Why is this looking a bit weird? What is... Also, don't mind my hair. Oh my God. That is unreal. Yeah. You're not gonna like this, but it's done. Then we're gonna go in with pate. Absolutely love pate. So it gets a lot on that. What did you have for tea? If you didn't have something, let's have something. Something is better than nothing. And if you did, what did you have? Look at that. Stunning. Stunning. Forget how good pate is. Then we're going to go in with some like normal cheese. By the way, look at this. Ready? Watch. I've got new knives. They're sharp as anything. They're professional knives. You get 25 years guarantee with them. What the helly? You know what I mean? Also, someone was like, are you saying what the helly? You're an adult. Yes, I am saying what the helly, Ellie. I said that to my daughter. Jesus Christ. Like, yes, I'm immature. And also my Botox come back. I'm not happy about that. I need to put that in ASAP. ASAP! Oh my God, you watched that? Wolfpack. No, that's Tommy. Anyway. Can't beat it. Sorry. But can't. Red Leicester. Actually, I think. Then. Okay, now, yeah. Rude. The butter knife. This is cranberry one. This is actually really nice, actually. I might put that in there. This is, if you like a sweet cheese, that's like a cranberry one. That's good. That's good. Go away, what is that? This is brie. You can eat it with white on it. I'm thinking this and the brie. This is just unreal. Dangerous, but unreal. I'm gonna go and have some more. Have a good evening.